In today's video, I'm going to teach you set your site style with Wix Studio. If you want a clean, consistent look across every page without updating each element one by one, this is the fastest way to do it. Site styles act like the design backbone of your website, so a single change can refresh your entire project in seconds. To get started, look to the left side of the Wix Studio interface. Click the Site Styles icon. You can spot it quickly. It looks like a letter A with a small liquid drop. Opening it reveals the centralized controls that define your website's visual language. Inside the panel, you'll see the colors and styles currently in use across your app or site. This includes your color palette, the fonts assigned to different text categories, and the text styles themselves, such as headings, paragraphs, and more. Think of this as your home base for brand consistency. Instead of chasing down individual buttons, titles, or links, you can guide everything from here. Now, click on a style and change it. Choose a different color, adjust a font, or update a text style. As soon as you make an adjustment, watch what happens on your canvas. Every element that uses that style updates instantly. Headings will adopt the new typeface, buttons and links will switch to the updated color, and paragraphs will take on your revised text settings. This is global design in action, and it's designed to save you time. If you don't see a change on a particular element, it may have a one-off override applied. Elements that are linked to the style system will update together, which is exactly what you want for cohesive design. Use this space to fine-tune the mood of your site. Bold and high contrast for impact, or soft and minimal for a calmer feel. As you adjust, keep readability in mind, so visitors can scan content comfortably. The best part is the immediate feedback. Make changes here and watch how your entire site style transforms in real time. It's a quick, reliable way to align your brand colors, fonts, and text styles without extra steps or guesswork. Take a moment to experiment, compare options, and settle on a combination that reflects your brand's personality. Because the preview is live, you can iterate quickly and land on a polished look with confidence. That's all there is to it. With site styles, one panel controls the look and feel of your whole site, so you can design confidently and stay consistent from start to finish.